Hello and welcome to the next estimating and costing lecture. So today we will learn how to calculate the quantities by long wall and short wall method. So for that we have one example from your Nirali textbook. So first of all we will read the question. The question is, work out quantities of following any three items and enter the same in standard format for measurement sheet with description of item. And for this question you have to refer the given figure. The first question is earthwork in excavation, that is first quantity. Second is PCC in foundation bed. Third one is UCR masonry in foundation and plinth. Fourth one is brick masonry. Fifth is internal plaster, and sixth is flooring. So all these terms you know very well, because you have already studied these terms in building drawing subject. So now in this subject you will learn how to calculate the quantities of the same. So for solving the question by long wall and short wall method, you need to first calculate the length of long wall and short wall. So see, for solution you need to calculate the long wall length and short wall length. So for that you can assume these horizontal walls as long walls, because if you see the length of these 1, 2 and 3 walls is same. And for short wall there are two types. This is short wall 1, this is short wall 2, and this is short wall 3rd. But all of these are of same type, so you need to consider this wall as short wall type 1. See, here it is considered as short wall type 1, and these two, 1 and 2, these two walls are of same length, so these two walls are considered as short wall type 2. See, S2 the name is given. So first of all we will see how to calculate the length. So starting from this corner or this edge, see, the length of long wall is equal to 0.3 divided by 2. What is 0.3? The 0.3 is the brickwork width. Width of brickwork is 0.30. See, you can see it from the section, 0.30. So the width of brickwork 0.30 divided by 2, because you have to consider it from its center. So 0.3 divided by 2 plus 4 meter, that is your horizontal distance 4. Again 0.3, that is your full brickwork, 0.3 plus 3.7, the length of this wall 3.7 plus again half of this, that is 0.3 divided by 2, it comes as 8.3. so the length of the long wall is 8.3 meter, and it is calculated as 0.3 divided by 2 here, 0.3 divided by 2 here, 4 meter full plus 0.3 plus 3.7. okay, and there are three numbers of long wall, so the numbers written as 3 numbers. Now we will calculate the length of short wall. So the S1 first. S1 type is this length. Okay, so the S1 is calculated as, right, starting from this corner, 0.3 divided by 2 plus 4 plus 0.3 divided by 2. So you will get the length of this short wall 1. So short wall 1 are 1, 2 and 3 numbers. It is written as 3 numbers, and the length is 0.3 divided by 2 plus 4 plus 0.3 divided by 2, which is 4.3 meter. And then short wall type 2, 1 and 2, again 0.3 divided by 2 plus 4.5 plus 0.3 divided by 2, which is 4.8 meter. And there are two numbers of short wall type 2. See, 1 and 2. The length of short wall 1 is same because the room dimension of these two rooms are same. That is the reason short wall 1 is considered from here up to this point. Short wall 1 is 1, 2 and 3 walls, okay, and short wall 2 are in number 2, okay. So this is your plan. You need to calculate the long wall and short wall length first from the plan. Without this you cannot solve the question, and you can get the width of brickwork from section. The details are given here in the section. See, it is written as 1.20. so 1.20 is nothing but your width of excavation. Means you need to excavate for this much of width. Then the PCC is given, 0.15 depth of PCC is given. So the width of PCC will be also 1.20. Then foundation and plinth, you have to calculate PCC in foundation and plinth. Then UCR masonry in foundation and plinth. So you need to calculate by these steps. And then brick masonry, then internal plaster and flooring. So for this we have prepared one measurement sheet. I already explained you the measurement sheet in previous lectures. So for this you need to prepare one measurement sheet and then simply write down the first quantity, SR serial number 1. In description you will write as what we are calculating. First, earthwork in excavation, okay. So in description you will write as earthwork excavation, okay.